Okay, today we're going to talk about an armrest cover that the great folks at Mooseology sent me for this Nissan Frontier Pro 4X. So let's take a look. So what we've got here is a 2025 Nissan Frontier. It's the Pro 4X version. As you can see, it's a long bed, but when you come inside, the Pro 4Xs have this nice orange accent, whether you have the leather or the cloth seats. If you have the Pro 4X, they still have the orange accents. But what we're going to talk about is this right here. So your armrest cover is soft touch with the accents. It does feel nice, but if you want to protect this and put something on there that matches the decor of your Frontier, then I think this is a great solution. So let's take a look. First thing we notice right off the bat, the stitching is identical. Now you can get these in different type of stitching. You can have it all black and other things. I'll leave a link in the description for this one, and you can kind of browse around their Amazon store. But take a look at this. This is an exact match. So ultimately this is going to go right here, and it looks like it's a very easy install. Now, one of the things the soft touch help with is that the harder it is, it seems like the hotter it gets in the summer. And of course, you know, if you're on a long trip, it is really nice to have your elbow sitting here resting on something soft rather than something hard. And we take a closer look at the unit. It is pretty thick, as you can see. It is over an inch thick there. Got your brand right there of MUSLOGY. And you see the padding on the inside and some stretchy things to keep it snug. So let's try to put this on. Obviously, the first thing you want to do is open it up. And then it's pretty simple. I may have to use both hands. You really just, I would imagine this goes to the back, the branding. So let's try it that way first. Okay, the branding definitely goes to the back. So reason being, you see it's got a little cutout right here for your latch, and the straps here go right past the latch and right past that. So it closes real easy to pick up, and quite comfy. Let's see. Okay, here's what it looks like from the back. As you see, it is an exact perfect match in both the color of the leather and the stitching. Okay, and another thing the good folks at Mooseology sent me is this cargo net. And let's take a quick look at this. I'm not going to install this, but this cargo net is supposedly to go over here to keep your cargo from flying out. Let's take a look. Now this is really interesting. So this comes with the cargo net. It comes with some carabiners here with their little logo on it and some D-ring hooks. Now these here, this is specifically for the Nissan products with the track on here. So if you take a look at the Frontier, this little piece right here is going to go up in here, and it screws those D-rings in here and lets you move it back and forth. So again, it is not just something with hooks on it. It is specifically designed for these Frontiers. And this kind of gives you an idea. If you take a look at here, install guide comes with it. There is the little D-ring there on the exact track system. So there you go on that. So again, I want to thank the good folks at Mooseology for sending me that armrest cover and this cargo net. They did send me these. I didn't pay for them, but I was going to buy that armrest cover anyway, so I was kind of happy they sent it to me if I did a video on it. I really like both of the products. It is an honest opinion on it. I'll leave a link in the description for both of these products. Y'all have a great day.